wireless sensor network into the space. But why we want to put a wireless technology into the space? Normally, we use wireless technology to be more comfortable, the use of our devices. For example, we can think about the Wi-Fi that allow us to connect to the internet, our smartphone or our laptop, without using wires. But for the space, the story is completely different. So the idea is, and the goal of my thesis is to develop a system which is able to acquire different telemetry data, as for example, acceleration, temperature, or pressure, and send this data in a wireless way to a central hub which is located inside the space platform that, after some computation, send this data to a ground platform for further analysis. But the question is still here. Why we want to put this technology into the space? Why? The first reason is the weight. Launch 1 kilo into the space can cost from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars, a lot. So remove the wired sensor and replace it with a wireless one allow us to reduce a lot the weight, and so save money. The second reason is that the cable management phase is a very important and long phase in the design projectual phase of the launcher. Remove the cables helps to reduce a lot the work on this phase, and so reduce the money. Another advantage which is directly connected to this one is related to the fact that wireless sensor can be relocated in a second moment in a different places with respect to the original one, but without any additional works. And the last advantage is related to the fact that wireless sensor can be put in a places where wired sensor cannot be put. Clearly, there are also some drawbacks. For example, the battery must be carefully designed, because if we use a too large battery, this means too weight, and so we lose our advantages. But at the same time, too small battery means not sufficient energy to plug our systems. Another important problem is related to the space. The space is a very hard environment with extreme high and low temperature and very high radiation. So we have to use an hardware which is specifically designed to work in these conditions. So at the end of the day, the goal of my thesis is to develop a system which is able to work at the same way that works into the ground, but overcoming all the challenges that comes when we want to put these kind of technologies into the space. Many thanks.